Single ka ba?
Ha?
Kasi lahat ng hinahanap ko, nasa iyo na.
Hi, Joel. Say hi on TikTok.
Have a TikTok.
Meet and greet with Joel at Dodo Bird Kitchen and Cocktails in Scottsdale, Arizona. Welcome to Dodo Bird Kitchen and Cocktails. Enjoy.
I've been exhausting. I'm lost in my imagination. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? Yeah. And there's one thing that I need from you. Can you come through? I might lose my mind. Waking when the sun's down. Riding all these highs. Waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me. I'm doing decently. Just glad that I can breathe. Yeah.